Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting files and permissions in order. Open your Excel workbook, save a copy as XLSX or export a CSV so formats stay intact. Once done, sign into your Google account and open Drive and a new Google Sheet for the data destination. Make sure to install and enable any add-ons you'll use, Form Builder or an app's script template, because those tools let you connect sheets to forms without manual copying. Now you build the form and link fields to your sheet. In Google Forms, add questions that match your Excel column headers so data types align. Next, use your chosen add-on or a small app's script to map each form question to the corresponding sheet column. This is the crucial middle step because mapping preserves structure and validation. Once mapped, submit 1 or 2 sample responses to confirm data lands in the right cells before moving on to import or automation. Finish by importing existing rows and activating automation. Use your add-on or the import tool to push Excel or CSV rows through the mapped form or directly into the Google Sheet. Make sure to choose Append versus Overwrite carefully. Then enable time-based triggers or installable triggers so new Excel exports update automatically. If something goes wrong, check header name mismatches, conflicting data types, and that the app's script.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.